Scientific Notation Part 3. A spacecraft is traveling from one planet to another with a distance traveled of 268,000 miles. If a spacecraft travels at a speed of 20,000 miles per hour, how many hours would the spacecraft need to travel from one planet to the other? Use distance equals rate times time. Now we're going to use the formula D equals rate times time, or D equals R times T. Now the word problem tells us that the distance D is 268,000. And the speed, which is the rate, R, is 20,000. Now I want to use scientific notation to solve this problem. So I'm going to convert D to scientific notation. So I'll locate the decimal, which is here, and then I'll move the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places to the left. That gives me a number of 2.68 times 10 to the 5th power. I'll do the same thing with R. I'll locate the decimal and move the point 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places to the left. This tells me that my number is 2 times 10 to the 4th power. Now I'm going to substitute these values into the formula D equals R times T. D is 2.68 times 10 to the 5th power, and that equals R, which is 2 times 10 to the 4th power, times T. And that's the variable that we're going to solve. In order to isolate the T, I need to do the opposite operation. So right now, T is being multiplied by 2 times 10 to the 4th power. So we're going to divide by this number in order to solve for T. Now I have two numbers in scientific notation, and I'm dividing those numbers. That means that I'm going to separate the decimals, or the decimal numbers, so I have 2.68 divided by 2, and then I have 10 to the 5th divided by 10 to the 4th. 2.68 divided by 2 is 1.34, and then 10 to the 5th power divided by 10 to the 4th power is the same as 10 to the 5 minus 4, which is 10 to the 1st power. Our answer in scientific notation is 1.34 times 10 to the 1st power. If we wanted to take this number out of scientific notation, we would just move the decimal one place to the right. So our answer out of scientific notation is 13.4. This number represents the number of hours that it will take to travel from one planet to the other. And 13.4 hours is our final answer.